Hello everyone and welcome to the Health and Wellness Spot. Now in today's video, we talk about plastic teething toys and its dangers. These products are often marketed as safe and effective ways to soothe gums in teething babies, and we all know that. We have embraced them. However, there are several risks that are associated with plastic teething toys that parents should be aware. And that's the essence of this video. We are here to point out all these risks and dangers that are associated with these products. The number one risk of plastic teething toys is the risk of choking. Now, in babies who are still developing motor skills and are unable to remove objects from their mouths, this is a high danger. Why? Because a piece of this plastic can tear off, and then when they swallow, it causes obstruction, and that can be a problem because choking can lead to death. Okay. Also, when it gets into the intestine, it can block intestinal flow of products or contents of the stomach, and this can be highly dangerous. Risk number two, there's the risk of ingestion. So once the baby eats this plastic, it can be harmful because plastics and microplastics are very harmful to our health, and that's why we discourage the use of plastics. Okay, and I also discourage the use of these instruments or these toys in children, because once you buy these toys, please be keen to observe the ingredients, because apart from just blocking the intestinal flow of components in the child's stomach or the child's gut, harmful chemicals like BPA, we know that. We also know of phthalates, and phthalates are also part of grains. Also, phthalates are part of GMO. These are basically chemical components that can predispose your child to stomach cancer and all these. Also, allergic reactions because they also mimic estrogen. So boys or childs or babies who are male can have a problem when estrogen level starts to grow higher. Then risk number three is basically injury. Some of them have sharp ends, and when your kid or when a child starts to bite them, then they can cause a tearing of the gums, the tongue, and also the mouth. And this is at high risk because this opens up a surface for bacteria and infection inflow into the system of the child, and this can bring about sepsis. The last one has to be they hinder your child's motor development, so the motor function, the flow, the natural, because remember, this child is always having things or objects in their mouth because of that process of teething, and therefore it is only natural that they go through these processes. If they don't, then you're hindering their motor skills and their motor development skills, and therefore they might they might become compromised. Therefore, if your child is going through a normal teething procedure, it's only fair that you help them. You can use some other alternatives that are not these plastic toys. Okay, and if you have again to buy these plastic toys, make sure you watch keenly the ingredients so that we exclude the phthalates and we also exclude BPA. So that is plastic teeth.